My name's Alex and I've been studying with the Gower College for the last 4 years. So my job at the moment is estates manager and I'm working for Headin. As estates manager for Headin, I look after multiple teams and they include the grounds maintenance team, the cleaning team and the 55 plus team. So I'm studying my level 4 facilities management at the moment with the Gower College, and I decided to study it because I wanted to basically change my career path. It's massively helped me progress in my career. It's helped me by basically just giving me a more understanding of facilities management and how that translates into the working environment. When I started, I was doing service charges for another organisation, so it allowed me to basically turn the theory into the practical in my role. Flexibility for me has been really, really great because, like I said earlier, I've got this full-time career as well, so this has just allowed me then to fit it around my actual career, which then has obviously led to this job. So apprenticeships are not for just 16-year-olds. In my opinion, I went into this in my late 30s and I found that actually that's probably better. Got a lot more out of it in my 30s than I probably would have got out of it when I was 16 to 18, because I wouldn't have necessarily then also been in the jobs I was in. That's sort of built into what I was doing and my understanding of it. Gower College have been amazing. My tutor, Gareth, been incredible, really enjoyable sessions, really flexible around my working pattern as well. He's always there for support when I need it, and he's always really understanding with assignments. I think anybody considering doing an apprenticeship should just put themselves forward for it, even if you've got to make the time. So I think building on your career, incredible.